So yesterday for my brightening shade, I used the Jeffree Star concealer in C14. And why does this keep splattering over me?
Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is Nessa CX Beauty. Today's video is going to be on the Jeffree Star Magic Concealers again, just because I've been reading my comments and I've been hearing y'all out, and a lot of people want to know the shades that I wear in different brands so they can make their decision on their color for the Jeffree Star Magic Concealer. And I'm here like, what better way to do it than to show it on camera? So I will be showing y'all different concealers that I wear from different brands, and I've pulled them to be the closest shades that I have of these. This is not my entire concealer collection, but these are the shades that I thought were the most similar to the shades that I got from Jeffree Star. Additionally, there were a few comments saying that they will not be purchasing the Loreal Infallible because Loreal is not cruelty free. So what I'm doing today is offering up some cruelty-free options as well. And the way that y'all will know if the concealer is cruelty-free is if I put the concealer up and I'm displaying it, the price tag will always be down here. And if it is cruelty-free, right next to the price tag, there will be a CF. So I'll be showing the e.l.f. Camo concealers, and e.l.f. is cruelty-free. So there will be the price tag and CF next to the e.l.f. concealer when I'm displaying it on my swatch. And if you're unsure if you are my complexion or not, fear not, because I will be adding a few of the foundations that I wear and the shades that I wear down in the description box, so y'all can check that out too to see if you guys really want to get the shades that I got from the Magic Concealers. But if that sounds like an interesting video to you, just continue watching. So first off, we're gonna swatch C9 in the Magic Concealer. Second up is the concealer that I used to pick out the C9, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. And I must say, y'all, in Morphe, it looked way more similar than it does under my lights. So it's more yellow and brighter. Next up is like a spot-on dupe for this shade. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C5. And y'all, look at this. Bang. Same exact shade, at least in my eyes. Up next is my Urban Decay Naked Skin in Light Neutral. And this is another one that I feel like is a spot-on shade match. Next up is my NYX HD Photogenic Concealer in CW04. Following is my Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Light Beige. This is a little bit more yellow and darker than C9, but still kind of comparable. Lastly, for those of y'all who don't want to use the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear because L'Oreal is not cruelty-free, the alternative for that with a similar formula is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Medium Beige. So on camera, they do look pretty different, but I do still see my spot-on dupes on camera. Here in real life, they look more similar than different, which is why I chose these. The ones that are pretty different are probably my Infallible and the e.l.f. Camo, because the e.l.f. Camo is a little bit darker and more yellow, and this one's a little lighter. But nonetheless, all of these shades do work on my complexion. And these are all formulas that I do approve of. So yesterday for my brightening shade, I used the Jeffree Star Magic Concealer in C14. And we gotta be careful with this because this splatters all over the place. That is C14. And I have less shades that match this shade, but nonetheless, I think it's a pretty color. It's just not better than my drugstore ones, if you catch my drift, which is why I'm showing you all the formulas that I do approve of if you're not trying to get the Jeffree Star one, or if you want help choosing your shade for the Jeffree Star one and you are my complexion. So the next concealer is my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in light beige. These are pretty good. I'm proud of that. And then the last one out of these is my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and this is in Neutralizer. This shade used to be my holy grail, but that one is similar to these two as well. So those were all of the concealers that I wanted to show that most closely matched the two shades that I got from Jeffree Star. And I hope this video actually did help you all choose your shade, or, you know, think about different alternatives, because some of these alternatives are really, really good and really, really inexpensive. So thank you all for watching, and have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. And I hope to see y'all soon.